Okay. Yeah. We're golden, people. We're golden. Yay. So let's do answers to last night's homework. Dun, 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 dun. Who's waiting? Okay. Your guys' patience level is really being tested right now because I am doing 10,000 things and I'm blocking the answers and things aren't working. Thank you for your patience. All right. Go. Okay. Please let me know if you have questions. I'm scrolling up. And here's this. Okay. I think we're kind of done. Are we good? Does anybody need more time? Okay. So I'm going to take this away. It is my expectation that when I post the notes for today, that you have them printed out before class. So this is on Google Classroom right now. And this is what I need you guys to have ready. If you don't want to print it out, use Cami. Cami's totally fine. Okay? So whatever you prefer, but it needs to be printed out. Okay? All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're talking about the basics of geometry. So we've got points, segments, rays, lines, like easy stuff, but you need to know what each thing is. So a point, because a lot of them are going to be super easy, you'll see. Point here, like point M. That's it. You just call it a point M. And points are actually dots in space. A point is a dot in space. Okay, so easy. Done with point? Let's move on, right? A line. A line has two arrows at each side. Okay. It's like the number line, right? So you name it like this, RS. And above the letters R and S is a line with two arrows on either side. A line goes on forever. It extends indefinitely in both directions. Easy? I don't see anybody with questions yet, so that's right. Yeah. Okay. That's actually good. Then you can't see your full name. I like that. All right. Moving on. A line segment. A line segment starts and stops. It's just a little piece of a line. So it starts and it stops. Like GB. How about? And the way you name it is you like this, GB. Okay. Simple. Moving on. Array. Array is like, think of a ray of sunshine. It starts at the sun and it shoots out and goes forever and it makes everything bright, correct? So ray is going to be like this. Like LP. It starts and then it continues on forever. It has a beginning, but no end. It has a beginning, but it has no end. And to name array, I would do something like this. There's only an arrow on one side. Okay. This is important though. Look over here on the side. 2 points determine array. So I do need to have 2 points because it starts at one point, it goes through another point, and then continues on forever. Okay? Opposite rays. 2 rays that go in opposite directions. Opposite rays make a line. So it's going to look like this. If I'm going to start at B, begin. One ray will go this way. One ray will go this way. They go in opposite directions. So here's how I name the rays. I started at B, begin. So I'm going to go BA with an arrow only on one end. And then I'm going to go BC with an arrow only on one end. Got it? BA, BC. Any questions? Sorry I can't give participation points during this time. That's kind of a bummer, huh? So we're just flying through these because these are all basic things. Okay? Turn the page. All right. A plane. A plane is a flat surface that extends forever in all directions. Flat surface that extends forever in all directions. A plane could be facing this direction. A plane could be tilted. Okay? So, check this out. if I have a plane, I'm going to call it plane V. And then the points where my sides intersect, sorry, internal sound. I have to have at least 3 points, guys, to make a plane. R, S, T, U, 3 points, 4 points, and then I could have 75 points. But I have to have at least 3. Okay? Extends indefinitely in both directions. This is called plane V. I could also call it plane RST. Collinear. In a straight line. Collinear. Straight line. Collinear. Wow, my lines are pretty bad, aren't they? I want to recommend, if you guys have a ruler or a straight edge, that would be good. My cat, just take a look at my cat one last time. Keeps getting up on everything. Huh. So darn cute. I love him. The cutest thing. So a ruler would be really smart. If you have one, edge of a book, anything, straight edge, a straight edge. Because this right here, this EF business, that's horrible. And I don't want you to be drawing straight lines like that. I've got a tablecloth on top of it, a dining room table. And so I'm kind of, but you know what? I can't blame the table. I'll blame myself. I need to make a straight line. That's what I need to do. I need to focus, get it down. A coplanar point. Coplanar. Both plane. Both coplane on the same plane. Here we go. Here's a plane. And I'm putting 3 dots in it, M and L. And those are just coplanar points. They're points that are on the same plane. Okay. So now when things collide, when things go together, right? I'm going to do, if 2 lines intersect, that's easy. They intersect, I can ask this as a participation question. Participation question, are you ready? In how many places do 2 lines intersect? So you'll virtually raise your hand. In how many places? I need new people. I've got like lots of people that haven't even volunteered yet. So don't volunteer if you've already volunteered this week. Aryan, you've already volunteered. Yeah. Anyone else? In how many places do 2 lines intersect? How many places, how many spots do 2 lines intersect? Volunteers, raise your hand, please. Reese, perfect. It's in one place, and they intersect in exactly 1 point. That's easy. 2 lines. Simple. The intersection of 2 planes. So this is 2 flat surfaces like this. Where do these 2 flat surfaces intersect? How many spaces, or what is it called when 2 planes intersect? Volunteer. When 2 planes intersect. Shane.
The
2 planes intersect. And what is it called when they intersect?
I have no idea, like a corner or something?
Yes. I have no scissors. Because I had this visual last year, but I need scissors, and my desk, obviously my home office, doesn't have scissors. They intersect in, like, if 2 planes intersect, they intersect, check this out. They make a corner, and these 2 pieces of paper that are touching make a line. So I'm going to say that their intersection is a line. And the last one, intersection of a line and a plane, looks like this. There's a line on top of a plane. It looks like that. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to separate you guys into little breakout groups. And what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you guys do 1 through 6 as a group. Let me try and see. Where is my recording button? Man. Okay, let's see what options. Nope. Sorry, I'm learning. It's currently recording, so I need to pause it for a second. I thought I could. No. Lots to learn. Okay. So, yeah. Guys, if you ever have to use the restroom, you just go. The notes are already posted in Google Classroom. Cami isn't working. I'm sorry. I don't know what to say. Okay. I'm going to do breakout rooms. You're doing 1 through 6 in rooms. Okay. So go to your rooms, do 1 through 6. Go to your room. That's going to be the fun. I don't know. I told you I'm kind of dumb, kind of dorky. So head to your rooms, go to your rooms, and do 1 through 6 together. Go ahead.